Got breaking news coming in on the Kolkata rape and murder case. The National Commission for Women has intervened in this matter and will be conducting the investigation from the ground. A team of NCW members has touched down in Kolkata to probe the rape and murder case. The team right now headed to the Kolkata Police headquarters to meet with the police commissioner and get a lowdown on the investigation so far. At this point, protests continue, remember, with several doctors' associations in Kolkata and across the country demanding justice for the 31-year-old doctor who was brutalized and murdered while she was on shift, while she was on duty. Ritik Mondal is joining us live with more details on this story. Ritik, NCW team also touching down in Kolkata. They're going to be closely monitoring the investigation.
Definitely, that's what we are picking up at this point in time, that the team of NCW has landed over here in Kolkata. They are going to meet the Kolkata police top cop with regard to the investigation. Remember, pressure mounting on the state government from various aspects, be it the NCW or the civil society. But currently, let me show you what is happening over here on the streets of Kolkata this afternoon. What we can see, a huge protest has erupted on the streets of Kolkata when several senior doctors from across the length and breadth of the city have gathered over here, and many eminent personalities of civil society, they have joined in protest at College Street. This rally will head to the RG Kar Medical College and Hospital, where junior doctors and resident doctors are staging dharna and protest for last couple of days, demanding justice for a victim lady. But we can see now the eminent personalities and civil society members, they are carrying protest march on the streets of Kolkata, demanding justice for this. Several demands are being raised. As per the investigations is concerned, this afternoon, Chief Minister of West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee, met the victim family and reassured them that all sort of measures are being taken. And she also gave an ultimatum to the top cop of Kolkata Police until Sunday, if the matter goes to closure, this matter they would consider to hand over the investigation to the central agency CBI. So pressure are being mounted on the investigating authority at this point in time. What we do see, an NCW's intervention is a very significant juncture with regards to this matter, and we can see that several civil society members are also raising demand for a free and a safer place for the doctors at state-run hospitals. Remember, it is not happening in Kolkata, but across the nation, several doctors are staging protests. They are continuing the cease work even today. So that's also causing hamper to the medical facility. But on the streets of Kolkata, we can see, let me tell you, these are all, senior citizens, civil society member, and even senior doctors. They have also joined a greater cause, demanding justice over this horrific killing of a junior doctor who she was brutally raped and murdered inside her own premises, inside her own hospital at the wee hours, couple of days, where she came with a lot of dreams to be a doctor, to be a very, responsible citizen of this city. But now we can see this chilling and horror killing went a shockwave across the length and breadth of the society, which is why huge protests are erupting on the streets of Kolkata. I would try to get voices from the civil society member. Sir, we can see that a lot of the citizens of Kolkata have gathered over here demanding justice. What would you will speak about how this investigation is going on? Are you satisfied with the way the investigation is going on?
No, we are not at all satisfied how the investigation is going on. So this is our, that's we are, in a way, we want the justice.
There is a demand for the CBI inquiry, the central agency late probe. Over here, we can see that eminent personalities like Choiti Ghoshal, she is an actress of in Kolkata as per Bengali film fatality is concerned. Choiti Ghoshal is with us, ma'am. As we were speaking, that this is a huge demand for justice. Now is it also demand for central agency late probe over this issue? Do you believe that investigation should hand over to CBI at this point in time?
See, I would say that the immediate justice should prevail, and the person who has done, or the number of people who have been into this crime has to be punished in whatever way you do. I don't know whether which agency would do the best. That is, I'm not an expert on that. But I want the justice to prevail for children.
Thank you. I appreciate you joining. So you were listening to Choiti Ghoshal, a very eminent, noted celebrity of Kolkata's film fraternity. We can see that there are demands for CBI probe. We can see there are demands from the protesting junior doctors for a judicial inquiry, thorough judicial inquiry into this matter. Now can see the protests and voices are being raised across the citizens in Kolkata. So these are the live visuals we are getting from the streets of Kolkata, and we can see that the pressures are mounting on the investigating team. Let me tell you, the SIT, the Special Investigation Team, which has been formed by several top cops of Kolkata Police, Vinay Goyal, the Commissioner of Police, she is also supervising the entire procedures. Even yesterday, he went to the Arjikar Medical College Hospital and assured the protesting students that all sort of measures are being taken care of, and he also urged to withdraw the protest, but this anger is not going to die down so easily, which is now we can understand that is also hitting the streets over here. Back to you.
Okay, Ritik getting us that detailed ground report, even as you're seeing a protest march through the streets of Kolkata with citizens, prominent personalities all coming together demanding justice for the young doctor. Like we told you, an NCW team has now touched down also in Kolkata. Let's get you a reaction from an NCW member on the investigation and how it's moving forward.
आज हम लोग कमिश्नर ऑफ पुलिस को जाएंगे, फिर उसके बाद हम लोग विक्टिम्स के पेरेंट्स से मिलेंगे। कहाँ इंसिडेंस हुआ है वही हॉस्पिटल में विजिट कर लेंगे। सिर्फ आरजी का जाएंगे, उसके बाद वहाँ पर भी टाइम लगेगा। उसके बाद देखेंगे कि कहाँ जाना है, क्या जरूरत पड़ेगा, वो डिपेंड करता है।
And let's get you all the details of this horrifying crime that's come to light in Kolkata of a 31-year-old young trainee doctor being raped and murdered while being on duty during the night shift inside the Arjikar Medical Hospital. It's triggered massive outrage, rightly so, across the country. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has now said that the state will hand over the case to the CBI. But she's issued an ultimatum to the Kolkata police, saying if you fail to crack the case by Sunday, I'll hand over the investigation to the CBI. She's also promised that the state will fast-track the case in court and push for death penalty for the accused. This comes even as there have been several demands for a CBI investigation. Doctors have been protesting across India, halting medical services except for emergency services, which continues smoothly. And protesting junior doctors have been pushing for a CBI investigation. They've also been seeking compensation for the victim's family and also an investigation progress report from West Bengal authorities. These are just some of the demands they've put forth. Meanwhile, the principal of the Arjikar Medical College and Hospital has resigned. 4 doctors of the hospital have been summoned by the Kolkata police for questioning, and that's because reportedly these 4 were also on night duty the same day when the victim was on night duty, the same day that the crime happened.
আমরা ওখানে এমএসভিপি কেও সরিয়ে দিয়েছি ডিউ টু নেগলিজেন্স। আমরা হাসপাতাল থেকে হেড অফ দ্য ডিপার্টমেন্ট, যে চেস ডিপার্টমেন্ট, তাকেও সরিয়ে দিয়েছি এবং পুলিশ পোস্টে যে এসিপি ছিলেন তাকেও সরিয়ে দিয়েছি। সবাইকেই সরানো হয়েছে এবং আমি চাই পুলিশ যত তাড়াতাড়ি সম্ভব দোষীদের গ্রেফতার করবে। আর রবিবার পর্যন্ত যদি তারা কোন কিনারা করতে না পারেন, কারণ ভেতরেও তো অনেকে আছে, তাহলে এই কেসটা আমরা আমাদের হাতে রাখবো না, আমরা সিবিআই কে দিয়ে দেব।
ममता जी, आपके राज में बंगाल में क्या हो रहा है? एक महिला डॉक्टर के साथ बलात्कार किया गया, दरिंदगी की हद कर दी गई। हमारा आरोप है कि कुछ टीएमसी के समर्थकों को भी डाल दिया गया उस कमेटी में। ममता जी, आपकी सरकार में तो विपक्ष को जो होता है हम जानते ही हैं। चुनाव में तो होता है, जानते ही हैं, मैं कई बार आपसे बात कर चुका हूं। क्या वहां की डॉक्टर बेटियों के साथ बदसलूकी पर भी ये कहा जाएगा?
And doctors across the country have come together to condemn the horrific rape and murder of their colleague at Kolkata's RG Kar Hospital, and they've been protesting across the country as well, demanding a CBI investigation. Here are some ground reports.
ये सफदरजंग हॉस्पिटल है, देश का सबसे बड़ा हॉस्पिटल अगर कहा जाए इसको माना जाता है, और तकरीबन अगर आप दूर दूर तक देखेंगे तकरीबन 2000 के आसपास तमाम जो रेजिडेंट डॉक्टर है वो इस वक्त हड़ताल पर चले गए हैं। सीधे तौर पर इसका इम्पैक्ट जो है वो उन तमाम मरीजों पर पड़ेगा जो यहाँ पर इलाज कराने के लिए आते हैं। लेकिन इमरजेंसी सेवा चालू है, लेकिन ओपीडी के अंदर तमाम डॉक्टर्स की जो सेवा है वो बंद है। यहाँ पर तमाम जो डॉक्टर्स है वो लगातार वी वांट जस्टिस के यहाँ पर तमाम जो नारे हैं वो लगते हुए नजर आ रहे हैं। और आप तस्वीरों में देख सकते हैं किस तरीके से बड़ा एजुकेशन दिल्ली के अलग अलग अस्पतालों में इस वक्त जो है वो देखने को मिल रहा है, चाहे वो आरएमएल हो, सफदरजंग हो, जीटीबी हो, तमाम अस्पतालों के अंदर इस तरीके के जो एजुकेशन है वो फिलहाल इस वक्त तेजी के साथ देखने को मिल रहा है। कई सारे डॉक्टर्स हैं, उनसे हम बातचीत जो है वो करेंगे। लगातार आप लोगों का प्रदर्शन जारी, कब तक और क्या क्या मांगे?
हमारी मांग है कि हम सारे डॉक्टर्स के लिए सिक्योरिटी चाहिए, दूसरों की जान बचाते बचाते हम अपनी जान खतरे पे नहीं डाल सकते।
आप क्या क्या मांग करते हैं?
हमारी 5 ही डिमांड्स हैं बेसिक कि सीबीआई इंक्वायरी हो। सेकंड थिंग, एक सिक्योरिटी बढ़ाई जाए, सीसीटीवी बढ़ाई जाए, एंड डॉक्टरों की सिक्योरिटी और बढ़ाई जाए। मेन हमारी डिमांड यही है।